Hi, Scott Spiker here, and let's do a little two-wheel exploration to one of my favorite mountain bike journeys in the region. Yeah, today we're going to go across the river over to Oregon, up to Mount Hood, and check out the Timberline to Town Trail. It's a seasonal ride I typically do with family and friends right around mid-summer, so if that's something that interests you and you'd like to see one of the more epic bicycle journeys in the region, stick around for this episode of Cascade Living coming up next. We do regular videos on hiking, biking, and other outdoor pursuits in our area of the Pacific Northwest. We also do real estate videos on the market, neighborhood reviews, community events, and happenings in Southwest Washington and the Metro Vancouver area. Let me be your advocate and negotiate for your best position and maximize your real estate results. If you're searching for some guidance, call, text, or email anytime. In this episode, I will give you a small taste of the Timberline to Town Trail, fastly becoming one of the area's iconic mountain bike rides. Timberline means a ski lodge at the base of Mount Hood, and town is a small burg of rhododendron more than 15 miles of trail distant. We usually catch the Mount Hood Express from Rhododendron up to Timberline. There is a web published schedule where you can check for times and the operational season. For $2, you get to rack your bike on the outside and hop on for a lift to the lodge and the ride start. From the top, as you cross ski area runs, you get some good views of Mount Hood, but only briefly, so enjoy the panorama. Experienced riders label this journey an advanced intermediate undertaking, and although I've been with riders that do the whole thing on a hardtail bike, I am very grateful for my forgiving full suspension machine. Rated Advanced Intermediate means there are some rocky, rooty, and deep sand berm sections that will require you to be on your toes and stay focused, all in the name of good fun.
I don't think Mom would be able to do this.
Though not entirely downhill, there are brief sections of pumpy climbing that I sometimes end up walking. This single-track trail route tends to be more technical towards the top and faster and more smooth flowing towards the bottom end. While you can ride up the Timberline to Town Trail, it is not recommended due to conflicts with the vast majority of downhill riders. I would also discourage hiking on the trail for the same reason. Some folks are moving pretty fast, only focused on a small portion of the trail, and will seemingly come out of nowhere. Expect to spend anywhere from 1.5 to 4 hours on the trail depending on your ability and the amount of stops you make. We usually average between 2.5 to 3 hours on the ride. There is one short tunnel that marks the midway through your journey. Preparation goes a long way, as you never know when you will have problems. A patch kit and a pump for the group would be minimal requirements, and even a spare tube is a great idea for the day. Don't forget to take in a refreshing creekside break near the bottom before road riding about a mile or so out to your parked car. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. In the meantime, stay active, and I will catch you in the next episode of Cascade Living.